Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man wala amma ba'du. We are in the nashatat ta'limiyya, the educational activities regarding al-qira'atu rashida, and we are in al-qira'atu thalitha, the third reading regarding النملة, the ant or ants. You should, as always, read this short poem, and whatever you don't understand, then you should go back and refer to the audio, the class that we did explaining it. Whatever you're missing, you should go back before answering these questions. And when you understood everything, then you should answer these questions. You don't have to know everything to the finest detail. Why is this marfu? Why is this mansub? So on and so forth. But you should be able to understand the story in general. The more you understand, the better. Al-as'ila, the questions. In here we have questions not so much regarding you, but more so regarding the story. So this should be easy, at least the first four. السؤال الأول, the first question. ما غاية النملة من سعيها وبذلها للجهد? What is the goal of the ant from its going back and forth? Or they're going back and forth and they're exerting their effort. What is the goal? You should be able to answer that from the story. السؤال الثاني. عدد بعض الأعمال التي تقوم بها النملة. عدد, to count, to numerate, enumerate. Enumerate بعض الأعمال, بعض الأعمال, some of the actions. التي تقوم بها النملة, which the ant comes with them, he establishes them. What are some of the actions that the ant does? You should know this from the story. If you're able to answer outside of that, from outside of the poem, some other benefit, then good. السؤال الثالث, the third question. ماذا نتعلم من النملة? What do we learn from the ant? What are some of the benefits we learn from the story of the ant and their efforts and hard work and gathering food and not spending their time in playing? What are some of the benefits? ماذا نتعلم من النمل? What do we learn from the نملة? سؤال الرابع. لماذا تجمع النملة طعامها في الصيف? Why does the ant gather its food in the summertime? You can know this from the story, from this one-page short story, and you answer it. Don't answer للشتاء, for the winter. No, answer it in a longer story, in a longer sentence. تجمع النملة طعامها في صيف لأن blah blah, right? كذا كذا, and answer it in full sentences. The fuller you answer these sentences, the more you'll have control over the vocabulary, and the more you'll be able to use it and recall it when it's time. I cannot emphasize that enough. السؤال الخامس, the fifth question. هل تستطيع أن تحكي لإخوتك قصة تحث على الاجتهاد وترك الكسل? هل تستطيع, are you capable, are you able, أن تحكي, to narrate, لإخوتك, to your brothers, قصة, a story, تحث على الاجتهاد, which encourages them to put forth effort, وترك الكسل, and to leave alone laziness? If you say نعم أستطيع, then say the story. Maybe record it and send it on the audio to the WhatsApp, right? Or find, even if you have to look at yourself in the mirror and narrate the story. If that's all you have, then it's all you have. But you can send it to me, and we'll, inshallah ta'ala, evaluate it. And I will get back with you in a day or two. Then we have the second set of activities. ضع كلمة مناسبة مما يلي مكان النطق. Right? Place the appropriate word from what follows basically where it belongs. So طال سعي أرضي أو الأمل أو بالأمل أو نعم. Which one do we use? Right? لست أرضي لست عمل لست بالعمل لست نعم بالكسل. Which one? إنني أرضي العمل بالعمل نعم. One of these. Each one of them has their own place. Right? باجتهادي في كذا وكذا. Right? I'll help you out. These two are part of one line of poetry, and these two are the other line, and the words are found inside the story. With that, we conclude. We just want to help you out. You should take your time to write these sentences, to write these questions, to write the answers out as complete in a complete form. Don't just say yes, no, because to, or whatever the case is. Rather give more complete answers. The more complete your answers are, the better you are at Arabic in understanding and speaking. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.